Tamnoti governor Malika.
Nirok sigut jeng 26 November ro jeng kaisa sitting demonstration jeng khaika tei jeng public no appeal khai tei government no jeng appeal khai jeng siroi rika je Pushpabanta Palace omono government of Tripura borok taj group no yapori roja thani jeng khanama bai jeng apro protest khaika tini jeng governor bai malaiga payment ko omono Pushpabanta Palace issue no teina jeng bona clearly saka jeng chini heritage te chini palace rongno jeng omtai taj group gro yaphai agai al kajaga o jeng yaphai jeng development against biya jeng musogo state of development engthang hanai jeng omona nai TSF chini heritage chini history preserve engthang culture preserve engthang jeng public rona appeal khainai nirok support khaidi je mansak jeng tini governor bai malaika bo jeng assure khaika je omona government of Tripura bai kok sanai tei place khaini hi bomona jono saka kok rokha jeng kha khaige immediately o je samrok bathage rojagan hanai tei jotto organization jotto public no jeng appeal khainai o movement no support khaigani bagai
Tiasa ni bekakte hasini siam menteri okranandar ni bekakte memorandum rokda yapar jaka.
jeng CM nalai yaphai rakho jeng first in tribal affairs minister honorable sini Sri Vikas Dev Manu jeng yapar kha boni porke tini governor no yaphari tongo jeng buskang salo jeng yapharnai chini CM no bo tani hamle bobo head of the state ma ba jeng bono yapharnai daitini je mansak jeng aproni rono sai rogana